Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Nintendo Switch enthusiasts out there: the GKVVO Controller for Nintendo Switch. Let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about what this controller has to offer. The GKVVO Controller is designed as a replacement for your Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite, or OLED controllers. It comes in a sleek gray color, and you can pick one up for just $30.99, saving you $4 off the typical price. What sets this controller apart is its precise control. Each controller features a high-precision 360-degree joystick and sensitive buttons. No more worrying about unresponsive buttons or drifting issues. This means you'll get a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience every time. Battery life is always crucial, and the GKVVO controller doesn't disappoint. Both the left and right controllers have built-in 500 mAh high-performance batteries. Recharge them in just 3 hours, and they'll last for a whopping 20 hours of gameplay. You can say goodbye to constant recharging. Now, let's talk about some of the outstanding features. These controllers come equipped with a built-in vibration motor and a 6-axis gyro sensor, adding an extra layer of immersion to your gameplay. Plus, they support wake-up and screenshot functions. No need to miss capturing those epic gaming moments. Game compatibility is essential, right? Well, these controllers have you covered. They're compatible with all Nintendo Switch games, including popular titles like Switch Sports. Whether you want to use them as standalone controllers or together with friends for multiplayer gaming, they've got you covered. While we're at it, check out these great accessories you can pair with your GKVVO controller, like the PowerA Joy-Con comfort grips for Nintendo Switch and the controller charging dock. They're sold separately, but they make a perfect combo. Now, let's take a quick look at the specifications. These controllers weigh in at just 3.84 ounces and have dimensions of 5.79 by 4.96 by 1.42 inches. They're manufactured by GKVVO and come with a 1 lithium-ion battery included. These controllers became available on November 1, 2023. Wrapping it up, the GKVVO controller for Nintendo Switch offers precise control, long battery life, and a bunch of fantastic features that make it a worthy replacement for your original controllers. With compatibility for all Switch games, it's a must-have for any Nintendo Switch owner. That's it for today's product critique. If you're in the market for a reliable and affordable Nintendo Switch controller, give the GKVVO controller a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next review.